Hello friends, Ram Ram. So today I have come to a very beautiful temple with colorful walls and they look absolutely stunning. This temple is called Jwala Devi Temple that is located in Ashiyana, alambagh, Lucknow. This temple is a Siddhipit. On the top of the temple, beautiful image of the sun and the moon are carved and they look truly elegant. So friends, if you wish to have a darshan of Ma Jwala Devi during Navratri, so instead of going Himachal Pradesh, you can come to this temple. As soon as we enter into the temple, we get the darshan of Ma Jwala Devi's magnificent eight-armed idol. The darbar of Ma Jwala Devi is very grand and divine. This temple is known as a Shakti Peeth, where an eternal flame has been continuously burning here since 2004. This sacred flame was brought from the Jwala Devi temple in Himachal Pradesh. The 10 Mahavidyas are also present here. Their darshan is very rare. So, under one roof, you can have the darshan of our all deities, including Ma Vaishno Devi. Here, you can have the darshan of all 12 Jyotirlingas. So, when are you planning to visit this spiritually stuffed temple? Let me know in the comment. Jai Sitaram.